So which pair do you wanna backtest today, everyone? Let's see. And no more analysis today. I'm going to just backtesting. Euro USD, gold. Okay. Euro USD. Question answer will be end of the session. Mostly I will do backtesting during the question answer will be also cover. Euro USD. Okay, 4 hour markup. Sir, no more markups. I'm going to just backtesting today. And end of the session, I will do also quick question answer. So you can ask me there. Euro USD, gold, Euro USD. Okay. So start from the Euro USD. Okay. Let's start from the Euro USD. Okay. So how you can trade in this situation and how we can identify structure, POI, everything, right? So to trade any structure, you have a two scenario. First one is here. If you are willing to trade based on the structure, okay, then price must be taken out the high before sell here, right? When market is a bearish and taken out the inducement, tap any unmitigated POI, then you can sell here. This is the first POI. And the next one scenario is here. If market taken out this inducement and there is a no unmitigated order block or anything is here, just sweep the inducement. And when market sweep the inducement and this at this time you will see sometime single candle order block, right? So market create single candle order block and sometime you will see a different thing like a sweep, like candle clip or sweep here, and then you can switch here in a lower time frame in a 1 minute and then you can sell. This is a happen based on the structure. And what happen if market create based on the candlestick formation, which I cover in part 16 and 17 also, right? Same rule, same principle will be applicable there. Like the candlestick formation, like this is a candlestick formation. If candle also sweep here, right, but close below it, so next candle open here, and you can also use this zone as a PY. You can switch here in a 1 minute, refine 1 minute order block, and then tap here and sell based on the candlestick formation, right? And the first scenario is based on the structure, and the next one based on the candlestick formation. Let me show you exactly on chart, and then you can understand more better and clear. Okay. You can see here, this is our like a counter trend buy, sell, buy, sell, everything, right? And this has happened here exactly. Previous all equal side taken out by this move, right? So this move taken out the liquidity. That's why this is our high probability zone for the sell. If market came back this zone, then definitely you can sell here. Okay. So this is a refinement zone is here. This is extreme. Okay. Like this one, right? So this is extreme, and this high act like a okay. And you can buy and sell between this engineering liquidity and this is the inducement. And this one is our inducement is here. Okay, so now you can see a gap between engineering liquidity and inducement. There is very larger range. So when you have a very larger range, then you can simply buy sell till this engineering liquidity taken out, right? So what happening here? Look at this one. I'm going to show you exactly based on the structure formation and also based on the candlestick formation also. You will get both type of idea that how you can deal in this two type of scenario, right? In this case, what happening here? This is happening here. The actual higher high confirm here when market taken out the inducement and create new higher low is here. And this is an internal structure. I'm talking about the internal structure, right? Again, break the structure, taken out the inducement, mitigate something here and continue go higher. This is again break of structure is here like this and then continue going higher high, taken out the inducement. Let's mark this one. Okay, and this one is also break of structure, again break of structure, and this is our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is our higher high and higher low, right? So this is a bullish market in the internal structure, okay, to mitigate to taken out this internal liquidity, so we can simply buy and sell here, right? Look at this one. Let's do bar play, then you can understand more better and clear. Delete all things. Okay, look at this picture is here. What are you looking here for? Buy and sell. What let me enable the chat section. Okay, so I enable here annotation mode. So simply now you can enter it there. So where is our possible scenario is here and what are you looking here for everyone? Where is PUI when we can expect a buy and sell everything? Okay, based on the structure when you are looking here for buy. Okay, look at this picture is here. Market is a bullish here. This is a clear structure is here and everything looks a bullish. So how you can deal in this situation? Simply you can buy and sell, like pick the previous high, just sweep the liquidity. There is no confirmation, no taken out the inducement. Again, continue going higher high, right? So at this time, you can see this is a small pullback is here. When market taken out the inducement, so how you can deal? Simply you can deal like this become our inducement. So when market taken out the inducement, we can buy. When you can buy, we can buy on this candlestick formation. And this shadow act like a POI. Why? Because the candle close above it. If close below it, So you have to wait for it to mitigate any PUI, the recent just below it. Okay. So right now, this is our first PUI is here, based on the candlestick, the previous liquidity. This candle liquidity taken out by this one is here, right? So this is our PUI, right? But you don't need to buy here directly. Why? Because you have a another PUI is here at bottom of the structure. Where is this one, right? Because this structure taken out the liquidity, right? So market can be pushed downside before continue go higher. So this is the first POI and this one is the next POI is here. And you can simply switch here in a 1 minute time frame, right? Based on the structure formation. But if you are willing to buy here based on the candlestick formation, then market must be taken out the previous candle low, high, then you can switch in a lower time frame, then you can buy. Okay. So I'm going to switch here in a 1 minute time frame, right? And at this time, this low taken out and you have to wait for it before the buy and sell market taken out the inducement, then you can buy actually, right? So where is a chop? This high. Okay. This is a chop. And where is inducement in this case? This low, right? But market not taken out this inducement. So you can buy here based on taken out the inducement. If market create any 15-minute single candle a sweep anti module, then you can buy. Otherwise, you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement, right? Uh, Switch here in a 15-minute time frame again. There is any possibility. Uh, there is a no sweep here, no candlestick sweep here, and there is a no 1 minute entry is here because market not taken out any inducement is here. If market taken out the inducement, right? For example, this is a 15-minute PY and this is a pullback, which is must be taken out like this one taken out and continue go higher. So you can buy here, right? But right now you are buying on a decisional PY based on the structure formation, right? So you have to wait for it. And let's see what happened next here. Okay. And in this situation, when you are willing to buy and sell, let me annotate, enable the annotate. Okay. When you are looking for the buy and when you are looking for the sell, everyone. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm going to explain here. Look at this one. This become our higher high. Why? Because taking out the inducement and this low become our higher low, right? What happened if market push downside Then where is inducement? To confirm any higher high, market must be taken out the inducement. So in this case, right now at the current price, this is our inducement. Okay. But if market create any pullback and continue go higher high, so this become our inducement. Okay. And then what happen here? Market push downside, this become our higher high, taken out the inducement and mitigate something here and continue go higher. Okay, so this is a two possible scenario is there. So how you can deal in this situation? You can simply deal in this situation two types. First one, if market actually wanna go downside, then you can do first thing, previous candle high sweep here. You can play here based on the candlestick sweep, right? Based on the candlestick sweep. So look at this one. The previous candle high is here sweep, right? So in this case, this become our PY, right? So when candlestick sweep, then you don't need to wait for inducement or anything. You can directly buy or sell here. Why? Because candlestick sweep here and push downside. And remember one thing, when market is bullish and sweep the any high, okay, then short-term sell opportunity. When market is a taken out the low and sweep here, any single candlestick sweep, then long-term buy here because you are playing with pro trend, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. And always you have to wait for it to mitigate this one and then you can enter here, right? And second thing is here, if you are like a if you wanna sell or buy based on the candlestick this type of formation, this is our extreme, right? Because this is extreme PY. And in this case, you can see a lot of unmitigated order block. Let me show you exactly here. You can also sell there. Switch here in a 1 minute time frame, right? So in this case, this is our extreme, okay? And where is our next possible scenario is here in this case, when you are willing to sell here, right? Because this is a 15-minute previous candle high sweep and push downside, and you can sell here. So when you are looking here for sell, please annotate here, everyone. In a candlestick sweep formation, you have to put the stop loss on candlestick high or low, right? And the next stop loss, you can wait for single candle mitigation also in a 1 minute time frame. Okay. Okay. Look at this one. This is a 15-minute sweep, right? This is a side. But as per the 1 minute time frame, you can see where is our actual candlestick is taken out the liquidity, which is our highest candle. Look at this one. This one. Why this one? And some people are confused here. Why I not mark this as a bullish candle? Because this is a bullish candle is not highest candle. This candle is our highest candle and taken out the previous candle liquidity. So this candle high and low, it means this is our actual candlestick is taken out the liquidity. So we can use this entire candle as a PY as per the 1 minute time frame, right? And you can also sell here and stop loss just above it and target the previous low, which one is here, right? But this is a not a good RR. So simply you can do two things. First thing is here, you can refine your zone like this one. Look at this one. This is the last buying momentum before this drop. So this is our order flow, right? Now you can sell here and put the stop loss just for it because you are buying and selling based on the candlestick formation. And this is a counter trend sell, remember, right? Because you have a no idea that market going in your favor or against, right? And this is our refinement zone in a 15-minute time frame candlestick. Okay. And second thing, if price mitigate your zone and gives you any single candle entry here, you can also add multiple position here for the sell, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, there is no mitigation. Okay, look at this one. What happened here? The previous candle high sweep here, push downside and candle close below it, and you can again sell here based on the single candle mitigation, right? The blue candle closed the previous candle low, so this become our single candle block. Stop loss just above it or just above it? Where is the our proper valid stop loss? Everyone, first one and second one, everyone. One or two? Okay, one and two. Okay, so there is 50-50%. Okay, so let me explain here one thing. The first one is here. This is our stop loss, right above it, right? But this stop loss is a risky, right? You can put the stop loss just of it as per the like previous candle sweep and single candle mitigation. Everything is fine, correct? But this is a low probability. Why? Because you have a chance that market can go higher to mitigate this unmitigated shadow is here. If market mitigate your extreme right order block or an extreme shadow and create single candle order block like this, then you can sell here and put the stop loss just out, which is more better compared to the first one. And right now you are selling on decisional zone, right? That's why this is a not a fair at this time to put the stop loss just of it. This is a risky, so you have to put the stop loss just of it for safer side. Okay, so this is our actual stop loss is here, and target this one because this low right now there's act like a inducement, right? So let's see. Okay, all right, now again switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly there is any another opportunity or not. Okay, one more thing is here. This is a bearish as per the candlestick formation. This was bullish move and this was a bearish move. So if market is a bullish and taken out the previous candle low in terms of the 15-minute, right, as of 15-minute time frame, then you can buy in a 1-minute order block refinement. If market is a bearish and taken out the previous candle high, sweep the previous candle high like this, then you can sell. Okay, but if market is a bearish and taken out the low, you can also buy here, but this is a little bit risky compared to the sell. Why? Because market is a bearish, right? So buy is a like a risky compared to the sell. Okay, so you have to remember this thing also. And right now you can see here, what do you want to suggest here and what are you looking here for, buy or sell? Okay, let me enable this annotate zone. When you are looking for the buy and sell, everyone, please don't do override. Okay. Sell. Okay, nice. Yes, perfect. Sell is a much high probability compared to the buy, right? As I explained recently, that trend is a bearish, and when market taken out the previous candle high is here, okay, it means this candle taken out the liquidity, and this shadow is a high probability because this is extreme in this candlestick formation. But and this is our entire candlestick. You can use also, right? And extreme is a high probability, and this is a decisional and extreme, right? Like this. Okay. So how you can deal in this situation? Simply you have to switch here in a 1 minute time frame. Again, and there are so many unmitigated order blocks or things here. So when you are planning to sell here, exactly everyone. Let's enable chat section again. When you are looking here for sell, everyone, do you need inducement or not? Everyone, type buy or N. No. Yes, sir. Yes, we don't need inducement. We are selling here based on the single candle order block, right? Because candlestick sweep here. So we need no need inducement. If structure sweep, then you need inducement. Remember this thing. This is important. Okay. Exactly. Okay. So this is a 15 minute, right? As per the 15 minute time frame, where is our unmitigated order block? The first candle is here, right here. And our bit, everything is mitigated here. Okay. So now we have only one PY is here. So simply you can sell here directly at this time. Stop loss just above it. Where is target? Just below it. So this is a target. Actually, main target is here, right? Okay. And this one is also possible scenario is here, but at that time market not like a close of below it in a 15 minute time frame. So we are planning to sell here, right? This is the first entry is here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Entry mitigate. Okay. Perfect. When market break this first low is here, then you have to put the stop loss on break even point, right here. And this trade exactly I taken the previous week also, as I share in a Discord and Telegram also, and the same principle, same rule applicable here. Okay, and this trade taken out based on the candlestick formation, right? Now again switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. So right now you can see, if you can see here based on the candlestick formation, the previous candle low taken out, right? And you are willing to buy here. This shadow act like a PY, right? But remember one thing, this Y for the for short term, not for the longer term. You can see This type of buy will give you short-term pullback to the upside and then push downside like this, right? Same thing happen here. The previous candle will sweep here and buy here, gives a momentum and then push downside because actual structure is here. This is our inducement, which is must be taken out before continue push downside and upside. Okay, and I close my max. The position is here maximum. Why? Because this is our extreme unlimited wick is here and I close here because I know market can keeps a short-term move to the upside because this trade taken out by based on the candlestick formation, right? So when you are buying and selling based on the candlestick formation, then you can't hold trades for the long term, right? You have to close on a specific risk reward like 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour. Okay, if market gives you below 3 hour, then don't trade, right? At least 3 hour, 4 hour, and 5 hour is a maximum, right? So simply you can buy here, you know, like 1 minute time frame for the short term, but I'm not interested here for buy, right? So let's see at this point, because this is a last selling move before the buy and candle close of it as per the single candle mitigation is here, right? And you can buy here and put the stop loss just below it. And where is target? Again, switch here in a 15-minute time frame to set your target. Where is target? Target is here. Why I'm setting this target? You can also set your target is here. This is a extreme target, is a refinement, and the first target is here based on the order block, right? So this is a first and this is the next extreme target, right? So when market hit this one, you can put your stop loss on break even and take small partial, but maximum target is here. And you will get a 6 hour trade. Again, switch here in a 15-minute to 1 minute. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. Everything is perfect here. Okay, nice. All right. So what happened here? You can see market gives you almost 5.8 hour, right? Because okay. So and if I switch here in a 15-minute time frame, again, then you will see how market start reacting here. Okay. So where is our next PY in this case? Also, where is our next PY in this case? Everyone. And what is the perspective here for the buy and sell? Okay, buy. Okay. Look at this one. What happening here? As I mentioned, buy is a short term and sell is a long term because trend is a bearish, right? I'm talking about this candlestick structure. So what happening here? Look at this picture. The previous candle high sweep here, right? So when market sweep the previous candle higher low, probably we are planning to sell here. So this is the first POI based on the candlestick formation, and this is our decisional. right? And now you have to switch here in a 1 minute time frame, and you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block in this case, right? Where is our unmitigated order block in this case? And when you are willing to buy and sell, which order block you are willing to sell, like first one and the second one. Extreme number two. Okay. Exactly. This one is a much high probability because this order block also taken out the liquidity, and this is a extreme, and this one is just normal order block inside var. There is a no pullback, no liquidity taken out. So this is a very like low probability order block for this sell, right? So we can sell here because this one is also 15-minute liquidity sweep. The previous candle high also sweep here. So we can sell here. Okay. And place the sell limit is here and put the stop loss just above it, and target also similar this one. But some people are get confused, okay, and some people are afraid to sell here, okay, they are not able to sell here, okay. So how you can deal in this situation if you are not confident to sell here and there? So simply you can take additional confirmation like price tap here and gives single candle order block, and then you can sell here. If market not create any single candle order block, then you don't need to sell here. Simple. You can take additional confirmation based on single candle order block, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, small reaction. Okay, mitigation is here. Look at this one. Right now, you can see if you are selling here directly, this entry is a valid. But if you are willing to sell based on the single candle mitigation, single candle order block, right now there is no entry, right? You have to wait for it. Okay. So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay. Perfect. Move to the downside. And in this case, if market again push higher to mitigate this one, you can sell here. And this is a called like a you can say additional confirmation entry, little bit, and then sell. This is a, but in this type of problem is one problem is here that sometime market not push higher and push downside, right? Not mitigate this order block. Before to mitigate this order block, market continue fall downside, right? But good thing is here, sometime like this is a bullish momentum and continue go higher, hit the stop loss. This is a risky entry, okay. But when you are waiting for get additional confirmation, then you can take this type of trade, right? So these pros and cons in a two types of scenario, right? So it's up to you that which type you are affordable to trade. Okay, let's see this one. Now you can see both entry is a mitigate here and stop loss just below it, based on the single candle mitigation, based on the direct entry is here, right? Both entry or mitigate here, right? Let's see what happened next here and what we can expect here in this case. Okay, everyone. So market break this low is here. So when market break the first low, you have to put the stop loss on break even or not. And what are you like waiting here for add on position or like move on position, or what are you looking here? Let me check here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. As per the candlestick formation, right now there is no like a high-low sweep here, right? Price just taken out the previous candle low is here. So if market tap here keeps a momentum before to the downside, this small pullback give you momentum like this, right? So simply you can take entry here for the buy and sell. And next one, this side is here. This is unmitigated here. So market basically to mitigate this one, and then you can sell here, right? But you have to put the stop loss just above it. But I will suggest you wait for another clear setup before enter, right? You are already in three position. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Look at this picture is here. How price is reacting smoothly on every pullback, on every sweep. Look at this one. Tap here and gives reaction and going higher high. Why this move happening here? This is a not randomly. Everything is here based on this logic, right? If price taken out the liquidity, market gives a momentum. It's up to you. You have to check this is a pro trend or counter trend, right? Buy in this case is a like a counter trend, sell is a pro trend. So if market get any sell probability, you have to sell here, right? So let's see. Okay, there's no sweep here still. Okay. Oh, this one is our actual sweep happen here, right? If you check just below it, there is a no sweep here in this case. And when market like create a sweep, right? Then you can sell here, and there is no other like entry here for the buy and sell. Everything in arranging is here, right? So if I switch here in a 1 minute time frame to see again what happened here, look at this picture is here. These two trades close on a break even point. Look at this one, right? Close on break even, and this thing happen here based on the structure, like a 1 minute and 15 minute, like this one. This is a buy for the short term. And same thing happen here. Previous low sweep here and buy here for the short term at this point. Previous candle low sweep and short term buy. Sweep and buy. Sweep and buy. Right? So this is a happen here, but you have to always wait for like a candlestick sweep in your favor in a pro trend. Okay. Now finally market taken out the major inducement right now here. So when market taken out the inducement, then you can buy here, right? Now you don't need to sell here. You have to buy here for pro trend, and you can sell also, but for the short term, because pro trend is a taken out. I mean pro like inducement taken out, right? So where is our next PY in this case, and when we can expect? Where is our next PY as per the structure formation? I'm not talking about the candlestick formation, because now structure taken out the inducement. So where is a PY for the buy and sell? Everyone. First, tell me when we can buy. Then I will decide for sell. Okay. Okay, okay. Buy, sell. Okay. Look at this one. First thing you have to understand here. This is an inducement, and after taking out the inducement, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block, right? So after taking out the inducement, you have to check where is our unmitigated order block when if we can take entry here for the buy and sell, right? So just below it, you can see at this time inducement. And after taking out the inducement, where is the unmitigated order block? This one. Let me check this one. But problem is here, market breach this order block. So market breach this order block, it means in a market is a very less probability that market are able to hold this one, right? Why? Because you have a multiple PY. This one is also, and this one is a last buying momentum before this stop. This is a uh, this one here, like a supply to demand is a flip type of formation is a, at this time, right? So it means this can be also work here because supply convert into demand, right? Taking out the inducement, tap here and gives a momentum to the upside. So you can also buy here. But look at this candlestick behavior is here. This one. So if market mitigate this unmitigated shadow, then you can sell here till this one, right? But at least this low as a target, right? So let's see what happened next here. And one more thing, if market create any sweep here, like previous candle of sweep here and close of it, so you can buy here till this one. At least if market not gives any indication, continue go higher high, then you can buy. Simple, because market already taken out the inducement. So if market taken out the inducement, then you can simply buy and sell, right? So let's see. Okay, look at this one. How price react here. Okay, if I switch here in a 1 minute time frame, I look at this one. This was unmitigated, like a shadow. I mean order block, and this is our unmitigated shadow when you can take risk here for the sell. This is extreme, and this was a 15-minute shadow is here at this time. And why I'm placing limit is here. You can also place the limit sell is here, but you have to put the stop loss just of it, and target is here 6 hour, right? Again switch here in a 15-minute time frame, and you have to wait for it. Again look at this one, the previous candle low is here, sweep, and this entire shadow act like a PY. Here you can buy here on the next candle, uh, sorry, no, why? Let's check in a 15-minute time frame again. I'm sorry. And this is our 15-minute shadow. So when you can buy in this case, how you can see 2 3 order block is here. So when you can buy here in this case, Everyone can annotate here. Where you can buy here. Single candle order block. Okay. Let me explain this thing. Look at this one. When you have a multiple POI, as I mentioned recently, right? Then you can buy also based on single candle order block, or also if you have confused that you can so this one is also order block, right? But even this is not a valid pullback, but in terms of the candlestick formation, you can take this one also as an order block, right? So what happened here? This one is our first PY is here. I mean order block, and the next one is here, right? So you can buy here, but problem is here, you are not confident you should buy here or you should buy here, right? So simply you can take help of the single candle order block, SCOB, right? If price type here and next candle close of it, you can buy here, right? Simple. And put the stop loss just below it. If market not respect anything is here, small pullback, tap here, you can buy here directly without any single candle order block confirmation, because this is extreme. Put the stop loss just above it, sorry, below it. But if market create any single candle order block is here, then you can buy here. This one is high probability, like additional confirmation for the buy, right? So this is a two types of confirmation is here. So first PO is here and second one is here. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, type here. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. So right now you can see how many order block is here. So when you are looking here for buy and sell, let me mark this one. First one, this one. And the next one is here. Okay, and third one, this one. But this one is not no need to buy here also, because market type here gives reaction and create single candle order block. So right now we have a two order block. First one is a green and second one is a larger. But remember this thing, this is a much high probability. Like this is an actual order block. Why? Because everything create between this bearish candle high or low, like previous candle high or low, and create between this one, right? So simply you have to buy here. Where? At this time. And put the stop loss just below it. Sometime you will see a very larger stop loss, right? But in this type of situation, you can do one more thing. You can take 50% of this order block, right? But you can apply when order block is larger, but actual order block is here, right? But if you are willing to buy at the 50% of the order block, then you can buy. But problem is here, you can also miss the trade. Okay, first entry, actual entry is here. Okay, and this is a not order block. If you are willing to buy here and put the stop loss just below it, so you are doing absolutely wrong. Why? Because the actual order block is here. But if you are willing to buy here, you can, but put the stop loss just below it. So now this is a better, right? because we are already in a uh, candlestick formation, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. The order block entry is mitigated here at this time, right? And the 50% of entry is not mitigated here. Also, this one is also mitigated here. Okay. So let's see what happened next here. Okay. Finally, market hit our target point. So this is happening based on the candlestick formation generally. Now again, switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happened here. Look at this one. Again, previous candle high sweep here. Sweep here, push downside. And this is not previous candle. This is the inside move between this candle high or low, right? So this candle high sweep here. This is a next VOI and you can sell here. But this sell is a like a short-term sell. Why? Because trend has been changed. Taken out the inducement, tap on order block and continue looking for the buy. You can simply sell here till this one. This is an unmitigated shadow and then continue go higher, right? So look at this picture is here. And you have to switch here in a 1 minute time frame again. Look at this one, the previous high sweep. And look at this one. This previous candle high taken out, liquidity. This is an order block actually, and you can sell here 50% of this candlestick. It means you can sell on the current price action, put the stop loss just above it, and target is here the most, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, perfect. Okay, now again switch here in a 15-minute time frame. The previous candle low is sweep here. Sweep and you can buy here. And this buy is a high, like a pro buy. So you can set maximum target, at least first target is here and this one, right? Because you are buying in a pro trend. Again, switch here in a 1 minute time frame to see exactly where is unmitigated order block. Look at this picture. First order block and next order block is here. So two order block is here, right? Let's see. And you have a two order block. Actually, this one is a much high probability compared to this one because this is a extreme. Or also, if market creating any single candle order block is here, then definitely you can buy here. Okay. Pep, mitigate, go higher, again mitigation, and go higher. So simply you can also buy here, but put the stop loss just below it and target is here. Right. So this can be a valid entry or not. Everyone. Let me edit the chat section. So this is a valid entry or not, everyone. Yes, no sweep, no sweep. No, yes, yes, no. Okay, let's look at this one. Correct, correct. Look at this one. This can be also entry here, but you can buy here based on the single candle order block, right? You can see 2 PY is here. Oh, I'm sorry. So generally we have a 2 PY. First one is here because this is a pullback and create order block, and this one is a next PY is here, right? So 2 PY is here. If market create any single candle order block confirmation, then you can buy here. If market create here, then you can buy here because you have a multiple PY, right? If market create multiple PI, then you have to wait for its single candle order block. There is no, okay, tap on extreme. Okay, there is no, okay, okay. So right now there is no single candle order block confirmation. So you can't buy here. But if you are buying on extreme, then probably this is a valid loss here for you, right? Okay, because you are buying on extreme. That's why. Okay, but if you are buying based on a single candle mitigation confirmation, then definitely this will help you a lot. Okay. Market mitigate your extreme shadow is here. Going higher high. Again, same process. And this move happen again. This is a previous candle higher low. Taken out the liquidity, mitigate this shadow and sell. Target this one. Okay. And this move will be happen here, and same thing, same process will be continue here. You can see in every time frame like 15 minute and 1 hour, 4 hour, every time frame you can see previous candle low sweep here, you can buy here. Again continue go high, previous candle sweep here, buy here, sweep here and buy here, sweep here and buy here, previous high sweep, you sell here. And same process here, you can see sweep here, mitigate here, you can sell here. Pushing downside, there is a no liquidity sweep here, sweep and sell here, probably stop loss or loss here. Again, what happened here? Candle low sweep here and buy here and gives a momentum to the upside. Continue pushing downside, sell here and probably stop loss, maybe, right? If you are billing here, sell, right? Again, push downside, give the momentum. This is a counter trend buy, structure sweep here, buy here, sell here. Again, push downside, taken out the low and buy here, give some momentum, right? And this process will be continue. All right. So now I'm going to enable chat section. Okay. So now chat section is open here for everyone. Can we do in this Indian market? Yes, sir. You can do in this Indian market, crypto market, everywhere. Break even 2 hour. Sir, not or 2 hour. You have to move your stop loss on break even on recent structure broken after broken. What is single candle mitigation? Single candle mitigation is also similar thing. right? Single candle mitigation basically use when price tap on PUI and create single candle order block, single candle like a previous candle high low taken out, and then wait for mitigation and sell, which I already cover in an ebook and also in a videos. So if we trade like this, that means there are more number of trades. Yes, sir. Because a lot of traders and members also ask me that how you get trades, like how we can get trades, multiple trades in a day, right? So now you can see if you follow basically a candlestick formation, then you can get every day at least 3 4 trades, but I will recommend you trades only 1 or 2 maximum in a day, and trade only high quality trades, and don't try to sell directly like previous candle high low sweep. No, you have to always keep in your mind structure first, then candlestick, then you will get a better idea where is a pro trend, where is like a correction in a Indian market. Sometime bank nifty not achieving a final target with the hour stall. No, sir. I too also previous week I have done 2 3 trades in a SDFC bank. Please explain more. We don't need 1 minute chalk. Where is question? If 15-minute candle sweep high low before entry. Yes, sir. If candle 15-minute candle high low sweep, then no need inducement. If 15-minute structure sweep, then you need inducement. Correct? And this is a happen in a 15-minute. You can also apply in a 4 hour, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, every candlestick formation you can apply. This is the lowest as a 15-minute. But I will say I would say you should apply H1 at least. H1 and 5 minute. So if Indian market gap up and down, then we can first candle we consider as IDM. No, sir, not like this. You have to basically follow the structure, and for the gap up and down, you can simply use the no gap up candles open this move. Okay, let me show you exactly. HDFC Bank. Can we talk? Can you talk more on single candle? So single candle order block is already explained so many times in an ebook and the previous chapter 16 and 17 in a more details. Show me single candle order block. Okay, let me show you. These 2 trades are here. This one is also sell here. I show, and this one is sell, also sell here. Sell here. Previous candle sweep and sell. So how many entries is also in a Indian bank, Indian market also. How to identify sweep? Sometimes it's not clear. Sweep you have to mark in a higher time frame. Okay, so if you have a like Sweep is a basically you have to follow in a higher time frame, right? In a candlestick formation and structure formation. Kindly give us Indian stock to trade with SMC while stock perspective structure. Sir, I will recommended you trade only high quality, I mean high volume stock pair. Nifty, Bank Nifty, and this is a trade exactly. Nifty. Bank Nifty is a similar story is here. Okay, I can say so many like entries is here. You can see previous candle high sweep here, low sweep here, inducement, and after taking out the inducement, you can buy here. Right? And next unmediated this one. Previous candle high sweep here, sell here. Previous candle high sweep here, sell here. And same process happen here. Previous high broken. This is an inducement. So before this inducement, we can sell here. Previous candle high sweep here, sell here. And this is a short term buy, but you don't need to buy here because we are more interested here for sell. Sweep and sell. But this sweep, after this sweep, market taken out the inducement. So this sell is not much high probability. So you have to follow basically previous candle sweep here and buy here. This is a loss. Another entry is here. This is a profitable trade. Big profit, small loss. FTMUSDT. Okay. PER. Oh, and it's drop. Previous sweep and sell. I mentioned recently in a starting of the webinar. Simply, you have to follow the process. Previous candle sweep, and this is a order block and sell. And this is a target. And what about why here? I will explain you. There is no 1 minute confirmation is here, right? But based on the direct entry, you can sell here. Put the stop loss just of it. Target here. Based on the 15-minute time frame, where is our buy, right? So basically, we can buy below it, right? Market tap here at least. Look at this one, sweep and mitigation here. So if market tap here and gives us sweep, and then you should buy here like this. BTC USDT. Okay. 4 hour USDT, sorry, BTC USDT is a similar story. Sweep here, stop loss, I mean entry, and this is a target. Simple, based on the candlestick formation. And same process happen here. Previous candle high and low. Sweep here. Then this act like a PY. In this range, you can buy here because sweep this low. So buy is a much high probability. Even you can see sell is also, but sell, why not sell respecting? Because buy low taken out. That's why is a more high probability. Short term sell, taken out this high, short term sell here to here. Again, short term sell until this low. And same process, you can see how many times market taken out the liquidity. And candlestick sweep work more smoothly when you use higher time frame. When you will try H1 and what is the lower time frame? For H1, you should use 5 minutes for the lower time frame confirmation. ROB, IDM, ROB, ROB. What is ROB? BTC in a 15-minute time frame. Okay, sir. In a 15-minute time frame, still bearish. At least wait for it to mitigate this one. When price tap here, and probably market keeps a momentum, short-term momentum to the upside before downside move, because this low act like an inducement as per the higher time frame, because everything is taken out the liquidity. That's why. So many example in H1 and Euro USD. Okay, sir. Sir, Euro USD is a work everywhere, every time frame. Like it doesn't matter that which time frame, uh, like uh, like you are using. This is a 1 hour time frame. You can see start from here to here. Everything will be same perspective. Look at this one. Previous candle high sweep here. You can enter here for sell. Continue pushing downside. Taking out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, you can buy here. When you can buy here. But this is a loss actually, right? Push upside. You can sell here, right? Pushing downside again. Last selling momentum before this buy, mitigation, continue going higher high, and same process. Low taken out, mitigate this, and continue go higher high. Short term sell because the high sweep here, push downside, low sweep, and you can buy here for long term because pro trend. Short term sell, and this one is also short term sell, right? So this thing again, high sweep here, mitigation, and sweep. So you can check everywhere. Like for example, at this point, this one is a, let's delete the all thing first. You can apply everywhere, right? Even this is a counter trend. Okay. So look at this one. Previous candle high, sweep here. Simple. And this shadow act like a POI, right? So you have to switch here in a 1 minute, 5 minute time frame because we are using 1 hour. So where is a PY in this case? Simply, as per your plan, where is a PY? This one. Why this one? Because this is an unmitigated shadow. Because just below it, everything is mitigated here. Right? Only one this one. So simply you can sell here and put the stop loss just above it. And target you can set a two-way. First one you can simply use like Fibonacci tool to use this one extension, and second one because we are selling in a counter trend, but if you are buying and selling in a pro trend you can target as a main high or low, right? Okay, so look at this one, mitigation. Okay, and push down side. And one more thing I want to mention here, the previous candle high sweep here. This one is a more refinement, and this is a 5 minute. You can switch here in a 1 minute time frame for more refinement. You can see this is a very simple sweep, push down side, and this one entire candle, right? But you can see here also this is an interesting thing. Previous candle high sweep here, close below it, so you can sell here. Put the stop loss just over it for safer side because this is also unmitigated shadow. And where is target? This low to this high and Fibonacci 1.618, right? You can use in a counter trend for target, this type of thing. But majority of the target on measure high or low, right? Let's see. Okay, done. Perfect. Simple. Okay, so everyone, इंडिकेटर कब तक बन जाएगा सर? मुझे कोडिंग या ये सब चीज़ें नहीं आती, तो मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी, जैसे ही कुछ रहेगा तो आपके लिए करेंगे उसमें। मुझे कोडिंग और इन सब चीज़ों का ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है। Sir, in a bank, if to be used 5 minute or 15 minute for structure and sweep. Yes, sir. You should use 15 minute, not 5 minute. 5 minute, you will see a lot of sweep, so you will be get confused, right? And thank you so much, everyone. And we should finish this stream, and I will upload on Discord as soon as possible, and a lot of helpful and powerful things you will understand. And part 16, 17, and this webinar is a game changer for everyone who are willing to sell buy based on a candlestick formation. Thank you so much, everyone. Quick explanation. Sir, Euro USD is recently so done. So let me make this here for you. Last one. This zone is here. I explain this is a extreme. So price must be mitigate this one. before a drop, right? So at this time, to mitigation this one, you can simply take entry here for the short term buy and sell, right? Look at this. What happening here? This is a pullback, right? So simply you can sell here if market KT anything is here, like previous candle high sweep here, you can sell here. This sweep here and this is a loss, right? Again push downside, break this low, short term buy, press this high, mitigation, short term sell till this one before continue go higher. This one is a mitigation. Okay, and switch here in a 1 minute time frame, right? And you can also sell here directly, put the stop loss just over it and target below it. Simple, based on the structure or candlestick formation. Only shadow we should be marked. Only shadow should be marked. Yes, sir. Because this move taken out the liquidity. That's why this is a more high probability. Okay. So thank you so much everyone to attend this session. And I will upload on Discord as soon as possible. Have a nice day, everyone.